Did your Royal Jordanian flight experience a delay, get cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you could be eligible for compensation. In this video, I'll show you how to easily claim compensation through Compensair, a trusted platform used by travelers globally. The service takes care of the entire process, so you won't need to deal with Royal Jordanian directly. To begin, visit Compensair. While you could search for it online, use the secure link in the video description to avoid phishing websites. Once you're on the Compensair website, start by entering your Royal Jordanian flight details such as the departure and arrival airports, flight number, and travel date. You can find this information in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass. Then, input your personal details like your full name and email address. Rest assured, Compensair guarantees your data is handled securely throughout the process. After entering all the necessary information, carefully review it for accuracy and click Submit. From this point, Compensair will manage the claim with Royal Jordanian on your behalf. You just need to wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive an email notification and the compensation will be sent directly to your preferred payment method. That's all it takes. With Compensair, claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Royal Jordanian flights is fast and hassle-free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments below.